Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Happy 2026. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be in winter conditions again, and we're looking for hoarfrost amongst the trees and shrubbery. There's a lot of nice hoarfrost on these trees, as you can see. Trees and bushes and scrub area. So I'm going to make my way along here and try and get some pics. I have to be careful here because as you can see, here's the river, and this bit of ice is actually overhang. So if it breaks off and I'm walking on it, I'm actually in the river. So I'm going to stick closer to the edge, but yeah, that's for me to worry about. Right, well, I've come out once again. That's like 3 different journeys to do some winter photography in the last little bit. But anyway, I've come out once again because the hoarfrost is amazing around here, and it's even better than yesterday. So I thought I might come and get some more pics of that and see what we can come up with. So maybe I'll just do a hodgepodge of all of these, put them all together and show you the cumulative amount of shots that I've gotten over this last little bit. Anyways, I hope you enjoy these, and yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, so like I said, in this episode, we're looking for hoarfrost on the trees, such as you can see up ahead here. And I went to 3 different locales to look for it. There was a sort of scrubland river walk, this meadow-like area, that pathway system that I walked on. So that's where we are. All right, well, just behind me, this tree here, I got a shot of that. Thought I'd come down here and do some pictures and see if there's anything of interest. I spotted some deer back there, and I'll get some pictures of that. And anything else, there's a frozen beaver dam back there, so I'll probably get a picture of that. So yeah, just thought I'd have a go at taking some of those. Well, there's another deer. Let's see if I can capture them on film. I'll take some snaps. Can you see those guys there? One's just sitting down, having a break, maybe settled down. They're so used to humans all around them. It's crazy here. That's one of the aspects I love of this town, is some of the wildlife. Beautiful. But I don't want to disturb them, so I'm going to keep moving. Okay, so we're going to merge this bracketed image together. I'll select all of the images here in Lightroom Classic, as you can see, and then I'm just going to hit edit as HDR, or merge HDR, and then you can choose the different ghosting layers. I bounced around with these, and it didn't, there wasn't much difference, so it doesn't really matter, but I'll pick a sort of a medium level. Okay, we'll hit merge to process that, and that's going to run and do its thing, and then it will open up a version of it in Lightroom. And let me just find that. It always sticks it in a weird spot here. It's the second one here, right here, as you can see. So let's open that up. And we're going to go to develop, obviously. And it's done an okay job. It's some good light. We'll just bounce around here and make some changes. Okay, I'm just going to whiz through all of these in the develop tab and on the color grading utility and a couple of others, and then I'll zip you right through to the end, and you can see the final result coming up here. Okay, and here, as you can see, is the final result. I think it turned out okay. It's pretty dim, but looks good. I hope you have enjoyed some of these pics in the last day or so, and I'd love to hear any comments or feedback on them. I'd love to hear your comments on any photos, good or bad. I'd love to have you join the channel, as seems to be happening in dribs and drabs here, which is really nice to see. I'll probably change my schedule to be 1 week a short, 1 week a full video. So that's probably what the new routine will be, just to space things out a bit. But so look for those different formats as suits you. Okay, here's the rest of the pics from the day. I don't usually do black and white photos, but I thought this one kind of suited it, so I included that today as well. And when you know it, one of the best pics of the day came from my house on my own front porch of the Hoarfrost there. Thank you for joining me on this week's episode, and Happy New Year, Happy 2026. Thanks for coming back, and hope to bring you a lot more fun images in the surrounding area throughout the year. So stick around. Thanks again. Bye.